Hello everyone, today we are making scones. So we're going to start with 3 cups of flour. Next, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Followed by a 1/4 cup of sugar. Pinch of salt. And please don't forget to sift your flour, your baking powder and your sugar to avoid any lumps on your scones. So mix it together well. Now add in 125 grams of butter, cold butter, and just cut it into smaller pieces like that. Now use your clean hands to mix everything together. Rub the butter with the flour like that in between your fingertips and your palms until you get a crumbly texture. Guys, I have to warn you that this process, this step right here, takes a lot of time. So if you don't have a lot of time in your hands and you just don't want to use your precious hands, you can just, put it in a food processor and grind. But it comes out better if you use your hands. For the wet ingredients, mix 100 ml of amasi. If you don't have amasi, you can use plain yogurt together with 50 ml of milk. Add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Now keep adding your wet ingredients until you get the right consistency, making sure that you don't overmix and you get a doughy texture. I have to admit, guys, I think I might have just overmixed it just a little bit. It shouldn't be like a cookie dough. Shouldn't be smooth. It should have a little bit of roughness to it. But nonetheless, it made yummy scones. Now bake your scones on preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And voila! There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Bye!